Caruso from the wings for three, and it's through.
Not to talk about how difficult the road could be.
Got to get back, KCP. Blocked by Caruso. Came all the way. Step with the dribble and runs into the double team. Collison and ball. Two Bruins going at each other.
Caruso. Backdoor. Kentavious Caldwell.
Push the pace. Last year, Lakers finished second in pace. Warriors fifth.
Breed of familiarity with guys when you practice with them a lot. You never know what Cook could bring to the table. How about Durant?
And don't really show it, but it does feel contagious, just like three-point shooting and passing.
Lonzo ball.
He just didn't play it. No one really knew what was happening. So again, just getting it
by McGee. McGee rolling. Lonzo goes to the rim. Something we want to see.
So you mentioned it, man. Another giveaway. Caruso adding to it.
The Suns have not surrendered the easy fast break points, and just as I say that, Lonzo Ball with the easy steal.
Caruso finds Williams, and Williams able to.
Brandon out to Lonzo. Attacks. Great feed. The finish.
That's how the teams were built in Cleveland and Miami. Caruso.
From the floor. LeBron very efficient, 9 for 14. Lonzo, catch, shoot, three, in there!
Outside to Caruso, clock running out. Caruso to the rim, lays it up, lays it in.
3 minutes to go in the half. 9-point lead for the Lakers. Ball with a quick move to the lane and finish.
Caruso just checked back in. Nice pass, James on the receive.
1.2%.
On one.
Lob.
And it's thrown down by Caruso.
Here's a lob from James to Ball.